We'll guide you through how to fix corrupt MP4 with FFmpeg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific instructional tutorial today, please make absolutely sure you already have FFmpeg completely installed on your personal computer system. An MP4 file usually becomes corrupted when a recording crashes before the video container is properly closed, causing index errors. Open your File Explorer and navigate directly to the specific folder containing your broken or completely unplayable video. Right-click on the corrupted file, carefully select the rename option, and safely change it to broken.mp4. Click directly on the directory path securely located in the address bar at the very top of your active File Explorer window. Type cmd directly into the address bar and firmly press enter to immediately open the command prompt exactly in your recovery folder. To tell FFmpeg to forcefully bypass standard error checks, accurately type FFmpeg --error_detect ignore_error and then safely add a space. This specific command is crucial because it firmly forces the tool to keep actively reading the media file even when it unexpectedly encounters broken data. Next, type -i broken.mp4 to perfectly set your corrupted video directly as the main input source. Add another space and accurately type -c copy. This attempts to successfully salvage and flawlessly remux the video stream perfectly without degrading the visual quality through slow re-encoding. Finally, safely add one last space and securely type a desired name for your brand new file, such as fixed_video.mp4 today. Your complete prepared recovery command should look exactly like this. FFmpeg --error_detect ignore_error -i broken.mp4 -c copy fixed_video.mp4. Press enter directly on your computer keyboard to safely run the active recovery operation. You will likely see a massive wall of red or yellow text displaying errors and warnings, but do not panic. This simply means FFmpeg is bravely fighting right through the bad data. Wait patiently for the active terminal to finish processing and return to the normal typing prompt. Safely close the command prompt, check your folder, and try opening fixed_video.mp4 in your media player to see if your footage has been successfully resurrected.